Tips and tricks for using your smart doorbell. There are 3 ways to make your smart doorbell battery last longer. You can shorten its recording time. Open the Sky Smart Home app. Tap your smart doorbell, then the settings icon in the top right of the screen. Go to Video Recording Settings and choose between 60, 30 or 15 seconds. You can have your smart doorbell only notify you about movement in certain areas. Go to your smart doorbell settings, tap Person Detection Settings, and then set Activity Zone to On. The blue area detects motion. Adjust the smart doorbell so it's pointing away from busy roads to avoid the motion of cars passing by from being detected. Make sure there's a strong connection between your smart doorbell and your chime. Make sure your Ethernet cable is firmly plugged into your hub and chime, and that your smart doorbell is less than 8 meters away with no obstructions. Check your devices are up to date by tapping your smart doorbell settings and scrolling down to Device Updates. If there's an update available, select Update Now, making sure your doorbell is charged and your chime is plugged in. For more information, go to the Help and Support section or use the chat in your Sky Smart Home app. Check out more Sky Help videos and remember to subscribe.